Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to edit your logo in Webflow and more importantly, how to add a super sleek zoom in and zoom out animation, so your site will make an awesome first impression the moment someone hovers over your logo. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to tweak your logo's look, but you'll also have a cool interactive effect that makes your website feel instantly more professional and engaging. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's actually select our logo in the Webflow designer. If you're looking at your site, just click directly on your logo so it's highlighted. This sounds simple, but it's important. You want to be sure you're working on the right element, especially if your site has several images or pieces close together. Once you've selected it, you're ready to start adding some magic. Now move over to the Interactions panel. You'll find this as a little lightning bolt icon on the right side of your Webflow interface. Click that and you'll see something called Element Trigger. Right next to that label is a plus button. Go ahead and click it. A little drop-down appears and from there you'll want to pick Mouse Hover. What this is saying is we're telling Webflow, hey, whenever someone hovers over this logo, let's trigger a specific animation. It's kind of like teaching your website to react to your visitor's hand. From there, let's set up the first part of our animation. Under the On Hover option, you'll see Action. Click to start an animation and then click the plus button to add a new animation. Give your animation a clear name. I'm going to call this one Zoom. Naming things may sound kind of boring, but trust me, it's a small step that saves a ton of confusion if you ever revisit or need to update your site later. With that new animation created, we're going to add our first animation action. Click Add Action and under Timing, make sure to check Set as Initial State. This basically tells Webflow this is where our animation starts. For our effect, set the scale to 0.6. What does that mean? The logo will shrink to 60% of its original size when you first hover. I know it might seem small, but don't worry, it's going to grow in just a moment. Next, we're going to duplicate this action. Think of it like copying a keyframe in a movie. On the second action, change the scale to 1.2. Now when someone hovers over your logo, it will smoothly grow to 120% of its original size, giving that lively zoom and pop effect. Don't forget to click Save. That locks in the animation so you don't lose any of your work. Now let's handle what happens when the user moves their cursor away, because a strong animation not only comes in but exits gracefully too. Still under Interactions, look for the Hover Out option. Again, set the action to start an animation, and this time duplicate your original animation but rename it, let's say Zoom 2. This keeps things organized. In this new animation, in the very first action, update the scale to 1, which means we're sending the logo back to its regular original size. Go ahead and delete any extra actions so that this exit animation is nice and simple. And you guessed it, hit Save again. We're almost done. Head up to the top right and click Preview to see it all in action. Move your mouse over the logo and watch it smoothly zoom in and out. Don't worry if it's not perfect the first time. Sometimes you'll need to tweak the scale values or timing to get it feeling just right for your design. And that's it, you've just made your logo not only look cool but feel interactive. If you found this helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more animation tips. And if you want to stay up to date with practical Webflow tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.